Okay, so in this tutorial we're not going to learn something really new. We have already used it without writing it, but you're going to understand what I mean. So we have some types in programming, like when we want to type like 10, we call this an integer. When we want to type 10.5, we call this a float. When something is true or false, we call that a bool. And when we want to type something like that, when that it has characters inside, we call it a string. Now let's make an example. We have an integer. That's how we say integer, by typing int, and say that this integer is 10 or 5 or 6. Okay, now let's create a float, and a float is like 10.3. okay, then we have booleans, so bool, that is equal to true or false, and finally we have string, that in Python we call str, which is equal to string. So how can we declare a string? We can't just say like that this is not a string, this is nothing. Okay, this is probably a variable, right? But to declare a string, we need to open the double quotation marks, and here we can write our text, right? So a string is something like that. If you're using another programming another text editor or IDE, the most you're probably going to see the int with another color, float with another color, boolean with another color, and string with another color. So that's it for this video. I know it was kind of small, but we're going to use those things in the next one, that we're going to talk about user inputs, which is something really cool, exciting, and you're going to use it a lot. So yeah, that's it for this video, and I will see you all in the next one. Goodbye.